In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your routing number using the Truist app. Whether you're setting up direct deposit or just need the number for another transaction, knowing how to access your routing number is essential. We'll go through the steps to ensure you can quickly find it whenever you need. First, make sure you have your smartphone or device at hand and that it is connected to the internet. Open up the Truist Bank app. This is the gateway to accessing your bank information conveniently and securely. So if you haven't yet installed the app, you'll want to do so first from your device's app store. Once you're on the app's main screen, it's time to log in. Enter your user ID and password into the respective fields. If you've forgotten your ID or password, look for options below these fields to help you recover your login information. It's crucial to log in safely, especially in a public place, so double-check your surroundings to keep your details secure. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to access your account. You'll now find yourself on the home page of the Truist app. Here, you should see a user-friendly interface that gives you access to different functionalities. At the upper right corner of the home page, you'll notice an option labeled View All. Click on that, and it will open up a screen displaying all of your accounts and associated cards. This section is where you can manage and view details of each bank account linked to your profile. Now it's time to select the specific account you want to check the details for. You'll want to pick the account related to the routing number you're trying to find. Tap on the account you're interested in. This leads you to a new page where extensive details about the selected account will be displayed. Look on this detailed account page carefully. Among other information, you will find your account number and your routing number listed here as well. The routing number is usually needed for transfers and stylized setup processes, so knowing this can be particularly useful. Remember, every bank has a unique routing number, sometimes varying by state or region, so it's best to get it right from your app for accuracy. And there you have it, a simple and reliable way to find your routing number using the Truist app. I hope this guide has been helpful. Keep this process in mind for any future instances, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful.